This module describes a procedure to assemble the R2CT RJ45 connector. This cable is used with the MPTMC or MPTHC supporting the power feed over Ethernet. Several items are used during this procedure. You have the R2CT connector with its assembly instructions. Two RJ45 connectors dedicated for Cat5e cable with their assembly instruction. You also have the mandatory Heroes tool and the Cat5e cable. Let's now see how to assemble all these items. First, insert the Cat5e cable into the R2CT connector. To do so, turn and remove the protection cap. Partially unscrew the nut spiral to enable the cable insertion. And pass the Cat5e cable through the R2CT connector. Remove 30 millimeters of the outer jacket. Then cut the shield. Spread the wires. Arrange the wires according to the color code. Shorten the wires to 15 millimeters to facilitate the insertion of the guide plate. Then, insert the guide plate as shown and push it until the edge of the jacket. Strip 14 millimeters more from the outer jacket. Fold the braided shield. Then cut the excess wire length. Install the guide plate in the connector and push it to the edge as shown. Make sure that the connector is straight with the cable. Then clamp the connector and cut the excess shield. Remember that for the R2CT, you must not place the boot. Finish by sliding up the R2CT connector. Then secure this assembly by tightening the nut spiral. Put back the protection cap. The protection cap is used to pull up the cable. Now, assemble the other RJ45 indoor connector. And finish by assembling the boot. To terminate, Verify the connectivity using an Ethernet cable tester. Also, make sure of the waterproofness and don't forget to install the grounding kits at the appropriate locations.